Hey y'all, welcome to another exciting episode of Will It Griddle. Today we've got some little miniature Trader Joe's pizza thingies. I've got three of them, or most of them under the dome, doing their thing. And trying to get the cheese to steam. I know you're crooked. Sorry about that. My tripod has broken. Until I get a new one, you're gonna have to deal with it. I'm crooked too, so it works out. I honestly don't know if this will work or not. The bottom may completely bake. Ooh, it's getting soft. All we need is the cheese to actually melt. And we might be on to something. Or we've just ruined a whole box of Trader Joe's pizza minis. We shall see. Oh, it's starting to melt. The buns are getting browned underneath, but they're not burning yet. That's the careful balance. We don't want burnt, I don't know if you call them buns or what. Burnt little things. Cheese is getting melty. Oh. Starting to get melty. Let's another one under there. It's not completely melted, but it's melty. Cheese is still a little cold, but the rest of it's perfect. Really perfect. Just have to get the top and bottom to agree. I know that sounds like some kind of kinky thing, but it's not. Get your mind out of the gutter. Ooh, now we're getting some melty cheese. Yay. In fact, let's take a couple. Let's see how burnt looking. Oh, okay. One of them's getting a little burnt looking. Oh, get over here. Look how melty. So let's get the get these melty ones up. Those two another minute. And whoops. Let's see how it tastes. it tastes very, very hot. Okay. That's a thumbs up. So, in answer to your question, does it griddle? Yes, it griddles. Yay! Come back next week for another exciting episode of Does It Griddle? And Mark tries to talk with his mouth full. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.